3 years back, we are here with a K-Fair with the plans, ambitions to deliver a very complete solution portfolio. Today, we are, as an OQ, ready to deliver new products serving customer and coming closer to the market. Focusing on Europe, in our discussion, we actually improve our solutions to come closer to the market with shortening the lead time from 32 days of delivery to a 6-day delivery by being near the region in terms of warehousing. Today, in a K-Fair, we're going to present 17 new products that are impacting people, whether it's from food safety, water delivery, and from sustainability and efficiency. These products will help customer and people to improve the life well-being. K-Fair is an important thing for us, and this year we will be in Hall 6 and stand A23. And we'd like to invite everybody to come and see it. We promise them fun and new technology and new applications. We are today looking for and excited to welcome everybody in our stand A23 Hall 6. We are happy to present new grades. We're happy to connect with our customer, with our partners, and for the rest of the world to know what OQ. Thank you.